Hello friends, welcome back to GP Study Corner. In this video, we will see first in India male. The first Indian to get Nobel Prize. Answer Rabindranath Tagore. The first Muslim President of India. Answer Dr. Zakir Hussain. India's first man in space. Answer Rakesh Sharma. The first Indian Governor General of Independent India. Answer C. Rajagopalachari. The first man to introduce printing press in India. Answer James Hickey. The first Home Minister of India. Answer Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The first President of India who died while in office. Answer Dr. Zakir Hussain. The first Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Answer Ganesh Vasudeva Mavanankar. The first Indian pilot. Answer J.R.D. Tata. The first Prime Minister of India. Answer Jawaharlal Nehru. The first Indian to get Nobel Prize in Physics. Answer C.V. Raman. The first Finance Minister of India. Answer R.K. Shanmugam Chetty. The first Education Minister. Answer Abdul Kalam Azad. The first Field Marshal of India. Answer S.H.F. Manik Shah. First Prime Minister of India who did not face the Parliament. Answer Charan Singh. The first Indian to receive Bharat Ratna Award. Answer Dr. Radhakrishnan. The first Defence Minister of India. Answer Baldev Singh Chokar. The first Indian swimmer to cross English Channel. Answer Mihir Sen. The first Indian author to get Anderson Award. Answer Ruskin Bond. The first person to get Paramveer Chakra. Answer Major Somnath Sharma. The first person to reach Mount Everest without oxygen. Answer Sherpa Anka Dorji. The first Indian naval chief. Answer Admiral R.D. Katari. The person to receive Stalin Prize. Answer Saifuddin Kichlu. The first Indian born to get Nobel Prize in Peace. Answer Kailash Satyarthi. The first Chief Justice of India. Answer Justice Hiralal J. Kania. The first President of Indian Republic. Answer Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The first President of Indian National Congress. Answer W.C. Banerjee. The first National Security Advisor of India. Answer Prajesh Mishra. The first Indian to join the ICS. Answer Sadyendranath Tagore. The first Judge of International Court of Justice. Answer Dr. Nagendra Singh. The first British Governor General of India. Answer Lord William Penting. The first person of Indian origin to get Nobel Prize in Medicine. Answer Hargovind Khurana. The first Chinese traveller to visit India. Answer Pahian. The first Chief Election Commissioner. Answer Sukumar Sen. The first person to receive Magsaysay Award. Answer Acharya Vinoba Bhave. The first Muslim President of Indian National Congress. Answer Badruddin Tayabji. The first British Viceroy of India. Answer Lord Canning. The first Commander-in-Chief of India. Answer Field Marshal Kariyappa. The first Indian to reach South Pole. Answer J.K. Bajaj. The first person to resign from the Central Cabinet. Answer Syama Prasad Mukherjee. The first Director of CBI. Answer D.P. Kohli. The first Governor of RBI. Answer Sir Osborne Smith. The first sportsperson to receive Bharat Ratna. Answer Sachin Tendulkar. The first Indian who won the World Billiard Award. Answer Wilson Jans. The first Indian to win Golden Globe Award. Answer A.R. Rahman. The first Indian to reach Antarctica. Answer L.T. Ramcharan. The first Indian person of British Parliament. Answer Dadabhai Naomi. The first person to receive Janpith Award. Answer Sri Shankar Kurup. The first Law Minister of India. Answer Bhimarao Ramji Ambedkar. The first Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Answer S.V. Krishnamurti Rao. Hope this video useful for you. If you feel the same, please like and comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos.